These are the only two levels that actually matter on gold and silver right now. Gold is bullish right now and is making bullish moves, and I'll show you exactly how. Silver is actually following the moves of gold right now, which could, in turn, flip silver back to bullish nature. So these are exciting times on a hashtag Friday Pie Day. If you are not familiar with who I am, my name is Drew Wolfer. I am a pro trader inside of not only the metals, gold and silver, but the crypto and the S&P and all of the stock markets, and I am the founder of Nordic Alpha. I have a couple of really pretty cool announcements inside of this video as well, but the whole point of this video is to get you ready for the moves that could be happening inside of gold and silver, and for that, we are going to get straight into the charts. Now, as you can see on gold in particular, we actually gave out 2 trades inside of Nordic Alpha this past week. Both of those trades hit. Both of those trades are in massive profit right now. We did the same on silver. I'll be more than happy to show it to you here in just a second. But that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is to show you the 2 levels that actually matter on both of these assets and give you the macro versus the micro backdrop of both of these assets and let you prepare yourself for the moves that could be potentially coming. Now, we've been talking about this for a very long time inside of Nordic Alpha, okay? At the end of the day, what we absolutely have to do, we need to potentially uphold this $4,853 level, but what we absolutely have to uphold is this level right here at $4,670. The worst case scenario is you lose both of these levels and your last ditch effort to remain bullish on gold lies right here at $4,423.70. Why are those the levels? First and foremost, those are the prior swing lows. The $4,800 level is the prior swing lows on the smaller term time frames. Then if you look at the $4,670 level, that is where the 1-hour chart would shift back to a downtrend. The $4,423.70 level, that is where the 12-hour, the 4-hour, and the 1-day charts all switch back to a downtrend. That would be absolutely horrible. Let me tell you one thing though. The 1-hour chart is in an uptrend right now, and it is actually in a continuation structure that I'll show you in just a second. The only chart that is still in a downtrend is the 4-hour, those midterm time frame charts, 3, 4, 5-hour charts. The 12-hour, the 1-day, the 1 week, the 1 month, every single one of those charts on gold is in a bullish formation and a bullish market structure that points to potential upside. So let me show you what that looks like. The highs for the 12-hour, the 4-hour, and the 1-day, even the 1 week and 1 month, are all the way up here at the all-time high at 56, 26, and 80 cents, okay? We have to break that in order to get back bullish on the 4-hour chart and then continue the bullish nature on not only the 12-hour, but the daily, the weekly, and the monthly charts, okay? Now, if we can get above this $5,144 level, we are continuing the uptrend. That is a verified continuation of the uptrend. We've already done this multiple times on the hourly chart, and this is where we would uphold that trend again. We did it back here. This was our old high. Then we cracked that high. This was now where we shifted market structure from a downtrend to an uptrend. And then guess what we did right here? We confirmed that uptrend as a continuation. If we do it again here, that is double confirmation. That is actually very, very bullish nature for gold. $5144.50 is the actual and proverbial line in the sand for gold right now. If you want the trade setups that I give out, you have to get inside of Nordic Alpha. Nordic Alpha is increasing its membership by 67% in 8 days at the end of this month. That will be our 1-year anniversary in March. We have absolutely crushed it in 2025. We are continuing to crush it in 2026, as you can see. If you want to get in at the pricing right now, which is the least expensive it will ever be, you have to do it before the 28th. I cannot stress that enough. Even the discounts on the 3, the 6, and the 12-month memberships are going up by 67%. So get in where you fit in, and let's talk about silver, because silver is actually starting to look, you know, somewhat bullish. We won't say it's super bullish, but it is looking decently bullish right now. Now, if we look at silver, you can see the trades that we gave out actually that hit right here and right here. They are almost at full take profit right now. Obviously, we are not going to take profit here. We're going to try and ride it up to here, see what happens. Then we're going to try to ride it up to here, see what happens. And again, we gave these trades out in advance inside of the VIP membership group. The point of this video is to show you where silver is bullish and where it is bearish. Where silver becomes bullish, in my opinion, it is right here. We need to break up above this $86 level, first and foremost with a 1 hour close. Second to that, we have to break up above the 1 hour, 4 hour, and 12 hour market structure highs. Silver is in a downtrend on the 1 hour chart, the 4 hour chart, the 12 hour chart, okay? The only time frames that are still in uptrends are the longer term time frames, the monthly, the week. In order for us to get back bullish into a bullish formation and an uptrend on silver, at least on the 1 hour, 4 hour, and 12 hour charts, we have to break back above this level with candle closes. That level is at $92.01. Now, what do we need to uphold in order to remain thinking that we could get above this range and then just under $122? Well, it's right here. Your first level and line in the sand, you really need to uphold the $71.68 level. And then if you break below the $63.90 level, this is absolutely horrendous news for silver. Why? Because you are breaking the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the 12 hour, and the 1 day lows, which could put you into a long-term downtrend. We absolutely need to uphold that $64 level. And again, you know where to find the trade setups. You know where to see all of my analysis. I'm not going to beat a dead horse. The one other thing I will say, this Sunday on the 22nd, I am hosting my third live office hours call where you get 2 hours with me live where I teach you my proprietary smart money methodology. That is the highest level analysis and education you are ever going to get, and you can get it for 20% off if you subscribe monthly. Click it down below. You will see it. It is the office hours offering below you. And if you want to try one call this Sunday, that is perfectly fine, but you will not get the 20% off. If you are a subscriber inside of the Nordic Alpha Private VIP Academy, you actually get a 10% off code that is dropped inside of the Discord. So get in where you fit in, and I will see you in the next video.